Hello everybody, this is Johnny with City Folk Gardening. It's June 4th. I'm standing here in front of my first bed with my carrots, kohlrabi, lettuce, some tomatoes, broccoli. Everything looks nice and healthy. Carrots are doing very well. And my onions here, which I talked about in the first video. I'm planting them in one long row. As you can see, are doing very well. Some of my patio deck corn, doing pretty good. Let's go to the second bed here. First thing you can notice is my cabbages are taking over. I have 4 purple and 2 green cabbages in there, and they're taking over. I know next year not to plant them in the same bed. Have a nice brandywine tomato right there. Some bush green beans back there. Go to the other side of the bed. Got the Kentucky pole beans, which are starting to climb, which will go up that. Front of the bed, we have lettuce and carrots, which are doing very well. Some more patio deck corn. And I want to show you guys an experiment that I did this year between grow bags and containers. I planted this corn at the same time. As you can see, the corn in the grow bag is doing much better. Very pleased with grow bags. And you see here, everything that I couldn't fit in the garden, I put in grow bags, which I'm very pleased with. Go to our third bed here, the hot pepper bed. We have Ghost, Reapers, Scotch Bonnet, hot bananas, chilies, sriracha, Inferno hot bananas. You name it, it's probably in there. Another shot of the onions. Show you another experiment that I did with an Italian roasting pepper, which I topped. And as you can see, a lot of new sprouts are growing out. Looks going very well. Come down to the fourth bed with all our bells. Which are doing very good too. A little cilantro planted there in the front. Get another shot of those onions in there for you. Get down here to the last bed, our tomato bed. As you can see, it's starting to look like a jungle. One thing I suggest to everybody is when you grow tomatoes or pulling your suckers, you have much healthier plants, bigger tomatoes. And for those who are not sure what I'm talking about, let me see if I can find one for you, because I always pull every one of them. I think we found one here. As you can see, plant comes up, V's off, and you'll have these that grow in between them. These are called the suckers. We want to pull every one of those off. You'll have much better tomato plants. I guarantee it. Come over here to our side bed. Have some tomatoes growing. Come over here. Cucumber plant, which my buddy gave me, doing very well. My zucchini plant, which a friend of mine gave me, also doing very well. Couple Brussels sprouts, jalapeno, and a couple Boston picklers. First time growing them this year. Well, as you can see, everything looks nice and healthy and green. And if you got to see my first video, which was about a month and a half ago, you can see the transformation, which I'm very impressed with. Well, this is Johnny with City Folk Gardening. We'll see you guys in 2 weeks.